I've been getting a lot of questions on my Facebook page about how to add these book corners to your finished book folding project. So I'd like to show you that today. Please stay until the very end of the video because I'm going to have a bonus hack for you as well. So if you take a look at this book I created, this was made with a 180 and then I added cardstock. If you liked these pips, the cards, you can find the pattern in the book, Bookfolding for Beginners and Beyond, and there's a link below. So to add the book corners, you're going to need a pair of pliers, and that's about it. They come in all different sizes, colors, shapes, but all you do is you put it over the corner, and then you squeeze. And then you can just try to see if it yanks off. And if it doesn't, you know that you've put it on correctly. Some people like to cover it with a thin piece of cloth or something just to protect the design. So I'll show you that method. So just find a very thin piece of cloth, and once again you can just squeeze it that way. So again, it does the exact same thing. But look how quickly it changes things. So here it has that, and here it doesn't. You can really see how it just adds that little extra piece of design. So I'm going to continue with all 4 corners. I just think when you're giving these as a gift or selling them at a craft fair, it just gives it that nice little professional finish. And these are relatively cheap. You can buy them in craft stores, Amazon. But look how quickly they go on. And really it does just makes it look just a little bit more professional, and I think it's really quite beautiful. Now, for your bonus hack. This book I happen to have bought at the dollar store, and a lot of times when they discard books, they have a black marker line here so they know it can't be sold in a retail store. So if you take a thin piece of sandpaper, this is a little sand block, you can very gently rub on it. With a little patience, you can get it to fade a bit. And if you can't get it all the way off, like you can't here, just take a little bit of white out to finish the job. So just a little bonus hack. As you